Hey, Swati ji. Welcome to Bharat Iconic Award, especially to the podcast. And I know this is not easy to sit here actually. You have came across the 5 stages of verification and a jury call, selection. How was actually, how was the experience when they announced the result?
Myself Swati. Actually, from past few years, I'm so much obsessed with my fashionic salon that I just forget where fashionic ends and where Swati begins. So basically, myself Ipari Swati. I run a family salon named Fashionic Salon, and that is my own brand. So my journey is from childhood. I'm like a padago kind of girl, and like all the time in school also I top the exam, and in colleges also every time I just I'm the topper and I get certificates. That was my journey.
Okay.
Again, I did my engineering in IT, and I got placed in TCS. And I was working as a system analyst with TCS for past 3 years.
Okay.
So I was in a successful career and a happy career. But a voice within inside always told me that I am born to create, not just to contribute.
Okay.
So from that, again, there was a beautiful twist in my life. I got married, which was an encouragement in my life, and I quit my job and I came to my in-laws' place, that is Barampur, Odisha. So after that, my family, my husband, everyone supported me to do something new. So I stepped into salon industry.
Okay.
So with the beginning, I started with Lakme Salon franchisee. We ran it for 6 years, and after that, again a voice told me that I want something of my own, which will show my identity, my vision, and then the Fashionic was born.
Okay. And you are into the fashion field. I think you left the corporate career to the fashion things and all.
Yes.
Especially you are into the fashion professional means you will be having a lot many competition because it's a fashion world. So how you are developing yourself? Or how are you giving the competition to the others?
Because for me, success is in the smiles and the little joy of the eyes of my clients when they come to my salon and they go with a smile and confidence to conquer the world, and that is success for me.
Okay.
Right now we are we have 5,000 and more customers, but the confidence you can see when they come to my salon and when they go with a beautiful face and a beautiful smile. That thing wins me and that stands me out from others.
Okay. And also, customer satisfaction is very important in your field, right? So how you're taking that things and all? Like how you're, what is your specialty in that fashion field?
Like we take care of each and every data and requirement of a single customer.
Okay.
When they come to my salon, we just do a consultation session, what they actually need, what is required as per their lifestyle.
Okay.
And we suggest them as per that only.
Okay.
So in that way, in that complete process, they trust on us, and that trust makes us more confident to solve their problem. If they come for their skin treatments, we give them the best service.
Okay.
So that they get all the requirements and they become happy that I have come to the right place. In that way, we make them satisfied.
Okay, that's great. And today you're getting the Bharat Iconic Award. Means what that award means to you?
Yeah, in everyday life, we become so busy that we just forget about ourselves.
Okay.
And we don't know what is our worth. But when I got selected in Bharat Iconic Award and I heard that I will be getting this award, that brings a pause in my life. I sat and think what I have done so far, and this is the reflection of, and this is the pause in my life, this award. And it will inspire a lot of girls who will think that if she can do, we can also do.
Great. And if you get one chance to the those who are the young generations wants to follow the fashion field, what would be the message to them?
The message to everyone will be, I Swati, founder of Fashionic Salon, reminding you that true beauty begins when you believe in yourself and say, I'm worth it. And I can do anything in my life, whatever I think of. This is the message.
All right. And one message to the Bharat Iconic team. What would
Yeah, for Bharat Iconic team, you were doing such an amazing thing so that you were encouraging each and every one of our society who can, every day we are not getting any acknowledgement and rewards, but you are reminding us all the good work which we are doing, we are worth it. And you are encouraging us to give the message to the society who are not that much getting that opportunity. But if we think and believe in ourselves, we can do it.
Okay. All right. That's a great such a.
And one more thing I just want to say, like if a woman thinks she can do it, if one woman rises, she just wakes up the whole society, the whole country and the whole world. If woman evolves, the whole world evolves.
Great, a wonderful like a line you said, I guess. And I think it's a pleasure talking to you. And have a great evening. That I wish you all the best for your future plans and keep inspiring in this fashion field and give a competition to the other persons also.
And I will give all the credit to my husband, my mother, my parents, my in-laws, and my whole family and the Fashionic team especially. I have a team of 12 members and they are continuously working so hard to motivate others and to prove ourselves we can do it.
Okay.
Every day, lot of clients coming to our salon and they are going with a smile and a confidence to conquer the world.
Okay.
And that is my strength.
Great. And thank you so much for this kind of a movement you've created. It's a pleasure talking to you. I wish you all the best, Swati.
Thank you.
Yeah.